This roast chicken is better than bakery bought, super easy and delicious. I'm using 2 chickens here, piercing the breast all over with a toothpick. Now in a bowl, mix onion powder, garlic powder, sweet paprika, black pepper, salt, and a bit of oil. Simply rub this mixture all over the chicken. Ideally, let the chicken marinate in this seasoning for about 2 hours. After that, spread butter or margarine on the breast skin. This will keep the breast flavorful and prevent it from drying out. I'm wrapping the wings in foil to prevent burning. Cover with foil. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. Then return to the oven until golden brown.